Just me like Lenica.
Yes, sir.
If it's a logic price, I would buy. If not, I will go McDonald's and come back.
Thing all those years ago. She most certainly was.
Change of plan, guys. I decided to come at Camden Town first, and I will walk towards Primrose Hill, which is 12 minutes walk. Look the details, guys, even on the chairs. This is incredible restaurant. Police came as soon as I landed the drone. The horses led us a bit of a souvenir on the way. Now I will head towards Trafalgar Square to find something to eat because there's no food around this area. We took our pictures with the horse. We saw also a changing horse carts, and later on I will go to Primrose Hill as I mentioned, and I will try to fly my drone. There's something going on in the Trafalgar Square, which is an open cinema, and here you got the movies. Hi there, how much are the tickets?
Huh?
How much are the tickets?
No, they're free. You can go straight through. Just get a thing from my colleague and security.
Yeah. What about food stand? Are there food stands inside?
Yeah, we just need one of these, but this is what you have to pay for.
What is it?
You just scan it on your phone, you get the menu, you okay.
Okay, thank you. Can I go in? Of course. Cheers. Thank you. And here it is.
It's not expensive price, so try to...
I will go ask and
price.
see then.
Yeah, ask the price. Is it cheap?
I hope so. We see. So you got some grapes. Ah, Mr. Greek. And this one. We go and see if they speak Greek. Just me like Lenica.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, there's a guy speaking Greek. What do you think here? Gyros? Is it gyros? If it's expensive, I'm going McDonald's.
Let you know, it's tough to scan these.
Yeah.
Just take orders online.
Okay, if it's a logic price, I would buy. If not, I will go McDonald's and come back. So I will see you in a bit. These are the prices. Okay, I think we will go with them there. I will get the chicken soup, like it's $7.50 here. So I think it's just around our chips. So what happened here? So now the price gone $8.50. So we just ordered, it was $8.50, but as I mentioned, they're paying rent, so okay, let's support them, sit here and not go to McDonald's again. So let's hope they do something good for us. This is mine?
Yes, that's yours.
We want it special. Finish? Perfect. Thank you. Oh.
Enjoy, mate.
Have a nice day, guys. See ya. Let me know if you like this interaction with people. I can add more because usually I do guides and I don't got time to stop and put clips from the interaction with people, which I usually do, but the video will go longer. So if you like this type of videos, comment below, let me know, and I can change a little bit my style. Let's find a good seat, enjoy a bit the film, because I never experienced an open cinema. Okay, let's give it a try before the film starts. It's actually good chicken, the potato is good. Until the film starts, I will eat my food and I will see you in a bit.
Thing all those years ago. She most certainly was not thinking of people like me.
Guys, I will not sit and watch the whole film. It seems a good film. It's Paddington, so when I go home, of course I will watch it. And as you see behind me, it's really cool watching an open cinema. I never experienced something like that, so I'm glad I came and stopped by. So now we head to Primrose Hill, which was the plan initially before it starts raining. So yeah, let's do that and see if we are able to fly the drone there. Have a nice one. See ya. Change of plan, guys. I decided to come at Camden Town first, and I will walk towards Primrose Hill, which is 12 minutes walk. I've got plenty of time. It's only 3:30. I never experienced Camden Town this busy. I'm going a bit more into the Camden Town to see the food stalls and then continue towards Primrose Hill. Scared me. So what the hell is happening? Funny guy. I never saw this area. I've been at least 5-6 times to Camden Town. They got like jewelry, art, clothes. And remember from my previous vlog that I came to Camden Town where the food stores are. This is where I am. And this time it's open. So we'll go around here. I will show you this place out and then we'll move on towards Primrose Hill. If I was hungry, I definitely would have eaten here. They got some tasty and nice food, and the prices are fairly cheap. And also remember another place that I mentioned, the Shaka Zulu. It's there. I will ask if I'm able to enter there and just film the place, which I might not, but we'll find out. Look, the details, guys, even on the chairs. This is incredible restaurant. I was right when I told you this is one of the best restaurants, seriously, guys. Inside Shaka Zulu, it's out of this world. One of the best restaurants I've seen and been to. Definitely put it on your list and you will be amazed. I will go a little bit more around Camden Town and then finally we'll go to Primrose Hill.
So how do we?
I just arrived, guys, and as expected, there's a lot of people around. It's Sunday, so now I need to find a spot and fly my drone because I don't want to draw an attention. Let me take some clips and I will see you in a bit.
Take off.
Police came as soon as I landed the drone. I do, yes.
Yeah, don't fly it in the park,
It's a mini, it's not allowed.
yeah, even a mini one. Please, get off the plane.
Okay, sorry about that. No problem. No problem. Sorry about that. And I was honest with them. They asked me, do you got a drone? I showed them. They gave me a warning that it's not allowed to fly the drone in the park. I told them, okay, I apologize. That was it. So luckily we didn't got any fine, but I managed to get some footage with the drone and also a panorama. So if you want to see that panorama, go to my Facebook page and I will upload it there. So guys, this is the end of the London series and the vlog and the day 5. I hope you enjoyed these vlogs, and if you got anything to add or questions, please leave a comment and it would be highly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.